Welcome to JAR channel again. Let's share with you what to cook for tomorrow. It's time for delicious and relaxing afternoon tea again. This French toast is the best one I've tasted so far. The sweetness from the honey, spiciness from cinnamon, and the slightly sourness from the berries seems like a firework in my mouth. Different from the normal French toast. Hope you'll like it too. For ingredients, we'll need baguette, milk, egg, and cinnamon powder, and you can get the details at the end of our video. First, whisk the eggs with milk, sugar, and cinnamon powder. Then, slice the baguette into thick pieces. Pour the mixture in a flat plate and soak the baguette. Leave for 20 to 30 minutes. JAR tips: remember to soak all sides of the baguette. After soaking the baguette, add butter to a heated pan. When the butter is melted, we can start frying the baguette. Remember to use low heat. And fry every side of the baguette evenly. Be patient, or the bread will not be stiff. JAR tips: remember to fry all sides to golden brown. Here we go. Place the fried baguette on the plate. Add our desired fruits, a garnish with honey, and you are ready to go. If you like this yummy French toast, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. Don't forget to click the bell next to it and you'll receive our next video at once. Thank you again for watching this video. We'll share with you next time what to cook for tomorrow. See you again and have a nice weekend.